0923, Thursday the 4th of December 2025, for the 0929 East Midlands Railway service from Leicester to Grimsby Town. There is a broken down freight train at Loversall Junction, meaning services cannot run between Doncaster and Retford. Services are being diverted via alternative routes to best suit the calling pattern of the train. Trains that have to still call at Newark or Grantham will be diverted via Swinderby. Those that don't will be continued straight through down to Spalding. Theoretically anyway, we've got 1 Alpha 59 approaching Parwipe Junction. That's a Voyager. And we've not seen a Voyager here yet, so I've decided to stop working and come out for it. Whether that will come down or not, I don't know. If so, it'll be the next closure. The first EMR Aurora entered service yesterday morning, with the second one this morning. This will provide additional seating accommodation and better onboard internet connections for passengers travelling between Nottingham, Sheffield and London St Pancras International. These will probably make the Lincoln route last though, so don't hold your breath. But additionally, 10 carriage operation in service is still yet to be authorised for the Auroras. So should an event require 10 cars, oh, you're a bit fucked for that. What's the Sliffordian Plaxton Panther jobby coming down? He's put it on a school trip. Since the schools here got in about an hour ago. And obviously some trips do start a bit later. Yeah, 1 Alpha 59's coming this way, so we'll see our first Voyager this way in the next closure. That'd be nice. Although it doesn't call until London King's Cross. So it could have gone straight home via Spalding, no problem. But, whatever makes it easier, I guess. Train approaching. .534 to Grimsby. I've got about 5 to 6 minutes until a diverted train due to a broken down train. Now for something slightly different. .0929 for the Grand Central Voyager service from Bradford Interchange to London King's Cross. Due to a broken down stone blower at Loversall Junction between Doncaster and Retford, trains are unable to run between Doncaster and Retford. Services are being diverted where possible because of the electrification of the unit, so those that are only electrified units will turn back at Doncaster or wait behind the failed train until it is moved. Those that can divert with diesel capabilities are being diverted via Swinderby to rejoin the route at Newark. To say we've had no booked diversions this year, there's certainly been a flipping lot of emergency ones instead. So another retention is definitely there. How far is he? He's just at Oak Farm now, that's good then. 62142 for London King's Cross. That was something slightly different. Oh 0938 for the 0938 East Midlands Railway service from Grimsby Town to Leicester. Don't move over now, I'm not going to get over any time soon. So following this, booked is the London Lincoln, which services yesterday finished about 3 o'clock due to the emergency services attending a train at Stevenage. The last inbound LNER arrived in the city centre for 13:57. The last outbound left at 15:27. Everything else in between was missing, for obvious reasons, because they couldn't get the stock through. No attempts for 1B90, that terminated at Newark an hour late, with a bimodal unit. So that could have easily come down. 1A60 just past Stephen. Whether he's going to come through or not, I don't know, because so far everything has come this way. Nothing has gone straight down through Spalding. Although it does shorten the journey time a little bit, so that makes sense. If you go straight down, you've got about an 80-minute additional delay. And if you jump back in here, you're back on the main line quicker. This was really quick. On 7271. For Leicester. Very quick. Only just on 2 minutes now. I didn't want that one anyway. Pilot. Moron. We stopped so back for you, scared of the wee-woos. 0943, the 0945 LNER service from London King's Cross to Lincoln Central. The line has now reopened at Loverslow Junction following an earlier broken down freight train. So the only diversion we saw was the Voyager, which did tick off something different because we've not had a Voyager here before. So that was worth it. And it was still fucking Baltically cold. And I've just opened the calendar to check the weather because this pissing phone can't do anything right. Oh, it's going to rain at lunch. Of course it is. Yeah, I won't be out then. Got yesterday's work to finish yet. As we saw in the closure with the Voyager, we do have on-track maintenance painting over rails that would potentially freeze, but it doesn't make sense painting them ones white, does it? Because that's meant to be in heat, not in cold. Oh, I don't know anymore. Here we are. Edward 206. Guess that'll do.